Going down the tubes, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, go down the tubes. This expression is quite vivid and commonly used in various contexts. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's make your English learning journey a bit more colorful with phrases that native speakers often use. Go down the tubes is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation, project, or endeavor that is failing miserably or becoming irreversibly ruined. Imagine watching something valuable literally sliding down into a series of tubes, leading to its disappearance or destruction. This visualization captures the essence of the phrase quite well. It's often used to talk about things that had potential but are now on a steep decline due to poor management, bad decisions, or unfavorable circumstances. The phrase, go down the tubes, is believed to have originated in the United States, with the tubes originally referring to television tubes or possibly the pneumatic tubes used to transport messages in older office buildings. Over time, the phrase evolved to symbolize the downfall or failure of something in a more general sense. Its vivid imagery helps convey the sense of loss and a retrievable decline effectively, making it a popular choice for describing failing ventures or situations. To get a better grasp of how to use go down the tubes, let's look at a few examples. Personal projects. After the lead programmer left the team, our app development project really went down the tubes. Business and economy. Many small businesses went down the tubes during the economic downturn. Personal life. Ever since the breakup, he feels like his whole life is going down the tubes. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in expressing failure or decline across different aspects of life. Using go down the tubes in your conversations can add a dramatic flair to your storytelling or explanations. However, it's important to use it in contexts where the level of failure or ruin is significant. It's not typically used for minor setbacks or temporary challenges. Also, considering its somewhat informal nature, it's best suited for casual conversations or less formal written communications. We hope this exploration of the phrase, go down the tubes, has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful idioms that give it flavor and personality. Don't let your English learning journey go down the tubes. Keep exploring, practicing, and having fun with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging English language content. Happy learning!